Hey everyone, what is going on? After updating to iOS 26, Apple added a new feature in the Messages app that can hide some of your recent texts. This includes verification codes, OTP messages, or texts from unknown numbers and businesses. Because of this, you might feel like some of your messages are missing. Let me show you how to check everything and fix it. First, open the Messages app on your iPhone. Tap the More option in the top right corner. From here, open Unknown Senders. And also check the spam folder. Important messages are sometimes moved here automatically because of message filtering. If you do not want new messages to be filtered anymore, you can turn this feature off. Tap on More and tap on Manage Filtering. This will take you to Message Settings. From here, turn off Screen Unknown Senders and also make sure Filter Spam is turned off. Once you do this, all messages will appear in one place, making it much easier to see your latest texts. If messages are still missing after updating to iOS 26 or after making these changes, make sure iCloud syncing is enabled. Open Settings, then tap on your Apple ID at the top. Navigate to iCloud, then look for messages under Save to iCloud or Saving is paused. Then tap on it. Turn this option on to restore messages from iCloud or start syncing new ones. If your iPhone is not receiving new messages at all, try turning airplane mode on for a few seconds and then turning it off. This refreshes your network connection and often fixes the issue. If that does not work, force restart your iPhone. No need to worry, it's a simple restart. To do a force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button, then volume down button. Finally press and hold the power button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. Once you see the Apple logo, release the power button and let your iPhone restart. Make sure to do this quickly. If you go too slowly, Siri might activate instead. So that's it, a quick and easy force restart for your iPhone. This process helps fix any minor software glitches or bugs that might have been causing problems. If you are still having problems getting messages, the last step is to reset network settings. Open Settings, navigate to General, scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap Reset and choose Reset Network Settings. This will not delete your data, but it will reset Wi-Fi, cellular, and network connections. That is everything you need to know to fix missing messages on iPhone after updating to iOS 26. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and tricks.